Hi, my name's Ben. I work with Cenvar Roofing. Today, I'm going to walk you through the shingle roof replacement process. When the crew arrives, they begin preparing your property for the roof removal process. This includes protecting your house with tarps and with plywood, and they'll remove anything away from the house that could get damaged. Once the property is protected, we begin the roof removal process. This includes removing the old shingles, underlayment, nails, and anything else that's on the roof. This leaves only the roof decking, which is the thin layer of wood that sits on top of your framing. Once we tear off the old roof, we begin to build your new roof. We start with drip edge. Drip edge is a piece that goes at the bottom, right by the gutter, and it directs water from the roof into your gutter. Next, we install ice and water shield. This is a thin rubberized layer of asphalt that we install at the bottom of the roof and in other key areas. It protects your roof from where ice may build up and where water may stand and not drain very well. Once the ice and water shield is installed, your roof is ready for underlayment. Underlayment is a synthetic material that protects your shingles from any resin that the wood might release. Once that step is complete, we install more drip edge on the sides of the roof to keep rain from blowing in under the shingles. Now it's time to install the shingles. We start with something called starter strip that goes at the bottom and the edges of the roof. It has an adhesive line that keeps the shingles from peeling up at the edges, and it also helps you get a clean cut. After the starter is installed, we begin to put on these architectural shingles. These are carefully installed to the manufacturer's specifications. As we install the shingles, we also install any air vents and pipe boots. A pipe boot protects the area around your sewer vents from water damage. When we reach the top of the roof, we use a special shingle called a ridge cap shingle. This is more pliable and is meant to be bent over the ridge to help shed debris and water. The last part of the process is to install flashing and counter flashing around the chimney. This thin piece of metal protects the intersection of the chimney and the roof against leaks and water damage. When the crew finishes the roof, they begin the cleanup process. This involves picking up pieces of trash and debris, as well as using a leaf blower and a magnet on the hard surfaces to pick up nails. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to walk through the roof replacement process with you, and please contact Cenvar with any of your roofing needs.